Hey guys, welcome back to HungryForever's channel. We're here today at Patina, a newly launched cafe in Besant Nagar, and they specialize in a range of Indian coffees sourced from the hills of Yercaud. All their coffee is chicory free, and they also have a bunch of shorties that you can try out. Let's check it out.
I'm Kritika, and basically my dad owns Woodpecker, and we always thought that furniture was a very serious kind of a shopping. Wanted to make it very fun.
With Patina, we've worked on an estate in Yercaud, which is down south. So they grow some coffees that were first initially brought from Costa Rica.
So the food, as Kritika mentioned, is sort of like an Iranian Bombay cafe take. Another thing that we could offer is give interesting ambiance as well. The coffee that we are going to be serving also is chicory free. So we are concentrating on actually giving proper coffee without any form of adulteration.
We'll be open from 11 in the morning until 10 in the night, almost the same time as the furniture store would be open. So do come, drop in, experience the whole brands together.
Hey guys, so we had a great time here today. My favorite was the filter coffee, but you guys should definitely drop by and try everything on their menu and decide for yourselves. They also hold workshops, so if you want to know more about coffee, how it's made, what goes into it, you should definitely sign up for those. You can also follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.